Hi guys, me Kylie here, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I am here with my sister.
Hi, I'm Sydney.
And I also have a special guest for you, but we just had some exciting news to announce. Drum roll, please.
We have partnered with Privé hair products and we're going to be telling you about them in this video.
Okay, so first we're gonna welcome our special guest and then we'll get started. So, this is our mom.
Hi. When my girls said they were partnering with Privé products, I couldn't be any happier. One, because I use them and I love them. It's really important to have clean beauty. And that's really what Privé is all about. I'm also really big on the aesthetics of things. So the bottles are just really clean, sharp looking, pure. And it looks great on your countertops and in your shower. One of the reasons I was drawn to Privé, besides actually trying the products, was the owner, Shay. Shay is a badass CEO, and she is someone that really believes in the products and the people. One of the things I love about her is she's actually races cars as well. I don't know how she does it.
Oh my god, no, take that out. Take that out.
Skirt, skirt! She really is amazing. The other thing that I really love about Shay is a company that she supports and has partnered with Privé called Project Beauty Share. Project Beauty Share really brings awareness to women that have needed help throughout the years. Now, as a mom of 4 girls, I can't even imagine, and this was really enlightening for me to hear, but when you get assistance from the government or the state, any type of financial assistance, that money does not go towards any personal hygiene. So no shampoo, no soap, no personal products. And I really can't imagine being able to raise my girls without those things that are truly necessities to make them feel more confident about themselves. So what Shay and Privé here has done is they've partnered with Project Beauty Share, and they're constantly giving back and giving back a percentage. And not only that, but they not only talk the talk, they walk the walk. They've been there with the founder, and they're helping to put together the boxes, not only contributing products and money, but also their time and energy and effort to help support, the future of tomorrow.
All right, let's give her a round of applause.
Okay, so first we wanted to let you guys know that if you head to the website privéproducts.com and take their hair quiz, you will get 30% off your first order. And taking the hair quiz will show you guys what products will be good for your hair, and then you also benefit from getting the discount.
Woohoo! Privé also has these new 1 ounce bottles, Damage Fix shampoo and conditioner.
And the moisture rich ones.
And these are perfect for traveling. They fit right in your bag, in your makeup bag. You never know when you're gonna have to quickly wash your hair.
They're great for after the gym too, if you can bring them there.
So definitely get your hands on some of these. They also have the regular sized ones. The Damage Fix shampoo and conditioner repairs hair from the inside out. Intense conditioning and rejuvenation.
The moisture rich conditioner and shampoo is for hair that needs some life and is very dry and frizzy.
See, very runny. Oh. Runs down your hands. Whereas the conditioner is thick, not runny, and because these products are 98% naturally formulated, it is safe to, rub it into your skin if you have a little extra. I'm just gonna moisturize. The Blonde Rush shampoo and conditioner. It's good for natural blondes, bleached blondes, or highlighted brunettes. This is the shampoo. Oh, okay, it's about to go down my arm. Since these both are colored, it will help with the brassiness. And that's the conditioner. See, I'm not gonna rub this one into my skin because I will be turning purple, but come on, it's such a pretty color.
And the next product we have is the dry shampoo, and something that's really great about this product is you can spray it in your hair at night to prevent oils, and it'll add some volume to your hair in the morning, and it also removes buildup and cleanses your hair.
So this is the Prep and Protect spray you use before any styling product. It adds shine, it's a light conditioner, and the cool thing about this is you can just like spray it as like a spray, or you can spray it a few times in your hand and you'll get like a gel, almost like consistency to just, you know, put through your hair. It also seals cuticles, protects split ends, and helps with frizz. Use it prior to using any hot tools when you want to style your hair.
This next product we have is the smoothing solution, and it is something that my mom cannot live without. She uses it after the Prep and Protect spray, and it's really great for resisting humidity, and it blocks frizz.
Gives me a nice smooth blowout with a lot of shine. I'm able to go out in this horrible New England weather with all of the humidity, and it's gonna keep my hair from frizzing.
Okay, bye. Curl cream, and this activates lifeless curls. You just put some in after you shower, and you can either blow dry it or just go to bed, let it air dry, and your hair will have curls in the morning. More controlled curls, I should say. Also blocks out frizz, so that's always a plus. These products go hand in hand. This one's the styling whip.
And this is the Shining Weightless Amplifier. This is actually the #1 selling product. It adds shine and volume going up,
whereas this one adds volume going out. So they're both mousses.
And you don't want to overuse this one because it'll provide like a wet look on your hair. Next we have Brew Amplifier. This is really great for volume for thin and fine hair. You can either flip your head upside down to dry it, or use a round brush, and those will be how you get your best results.
This intensive mask can take place of your conditioner. It's super hydrating, it's extra moisture, and it repairs your hair, and you can leave it in for up to 10 minutes. It's really however long you want, and it will just continue to repair your hair.
Vanishing Oil, and you can apply this to damp or dry hair, and this is to nourish your hair and transform the hair to hydrate it, and I'll show you what it looks like. And it looks just like that. It's clear. I'll put it on Kylie's hair
From the mid-length
down, and just bring it back to life.
You can use it as a mask or before blow drying. Ooh, my hair's feeling nice. The two hairsprays that they have are the Finishing Hairspray and the Firm Holding Hairspray. Finishing Hairspray is a working spray. It still gives hair movement. It's a natural hold, and it helps with frizz. Whereas the Firm Hold Hairspray is more of a 12-hour hold, and I'll show you them both. Me and Sid will spray them at each other.
This is the finishing.
And this one's the Firm Holding.
The firm holding is something that I have to use because curls do not stay in my hair, and I find that the firm holding, it's a high hold, so it lasts all day for me. Okay, so next we have Finishing Texture Spray, and this helps curls hold and is a touchable finish and holds any style.
And lastly, not a hair product, but definitely a favorite, is the Hand and Body Lotion. This is just a clean, pure, good lotion. I use it every day after the shower.
It has all natural ingredients as well.
Yeah. A lot of the fan favorites also come in travel sizes. We showed you the 1-ounce shampoo and conditioners, but these are the hairspray and smoothing solution. So always good to pack when you're going on vacation and you need your go-to hair products. Something else very interesting that we forgot to mention is there's no base formula. They're all handcrafted.
Cruelty-free.
The products also help scalp health. So we just want to say thank you so much, Privé.
We're so excited to work with you guys.
And we're so thankful. We look forward to a future of healthy hair, and we hope that all of you do too.